Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel and this is Filipino Mix. Today, we will talk about the Mayon volcano, which is now active and at any time or any moment it can be erupted. Mayon, also known as Mount Mayon and Mayon Volcano, is an active volcano in the province of Albay in Bicol, Philippines, with recorded historical eruptions dating back to 1616 and more than 30 eruptions recorded. According to my research, an eruption in 1993 caused 79 deaths. Subsequent eruptions in 2000, 2006, 2009, 2014, and 2018 forced 10,000 of people and nearby villages to evacuate. In December 2006, rains from powerful Typhoon Durian caused mudslide and floods at the foot of the volcano that killed more than 1,000 people. And the most destructive eruption was in 1814 when the town of Cagsawa was buried and approximately 1,200 people were killed. Mount Mayon is a popular tourist spot. It is famous for its perfect cone because of its symmetric conical shape. It has a base of 80 miles in circumference and rises to 8,077 feet from the shore of Albay Gulf. Its natural beauty has inspired a number of legends and art. People love visiting Mayon volcano. This is because you will get to view the mountain as it's meant to be seen. Known as the perfect volcano in the world, the unique symmetry of Mount Mayon is perhaps one of its most fantastic attractions. Today, Mount Mayon volcano eruptions wreak havoc on Philippine islands could last for months, and more than 15,000 people have moved into emergency shelters. And Mayon is sending ash and continuous plumes of sulfur dioxide emission into the air, and lava is slowly pouring out of the summit crater, reaching more than half a mile away. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Your like means a lot to me. Till next time, God bless everyone!